Back here is another area where I have set up for sleep. You know, when it comes, got a TV back here. You know, here's a little hallway. Keep it a mess. I'm trying to keep it a little empty over here so I can bring my homegirl can spend the night. They can leave their things in here. See, I got my closet so empty. She can leave some clothes over here. You know, spend the night. Last but not least, here's the bathroom area. Gold, gold with the Carolina blue suits. Thank y'all for coming out. Enjoy the scenes. This is my apartment. My foot massage. You can get right up